National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles south of Ashton to 6 miles southeast of Amboy to Lamoille, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Mendota, Chabonneau, Sandwich, Serena, Paupod, Oilville, Waterman, Leland, Hinckley, Somonauk, West Brooklyn, Compton and Troy Grove. Other locations affected: Lee County Fairgrounds, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.